I love architecture for what it can do for people, what it delivers for both its users, the wider world, and the people who've just passed by in the street. I love that we can create spaces that can deliver in multi-ways. Functionality, people, enjoyment, and a space that can perform at multiple levels so that every part of a building looked like somebody loved it. Architectus is a large commercial firm which delivers projects in multiple different spheres with a big emphasis on infrastructure and transport, mainly because that's a fantastic way of providing the common good. The new Intercity fleet maintenance facility was the result of a bid by John Holland, and they asked us to see if they could reduce the size of the buildings and be a bit more effective than the reference design. We also wanted to make it look less industrial, so we worked quite hard to reduce the size of the envelope while also providing a positive backdrop to people who passed in the rail corridor. The rail maintenance facility had a number of challenges which you always have on rail projects because trains are big, large, they're very noisy. Being in a degraded bushland setting, we had to make it still be respectful to its neighbours. We worked very hard to prove that we could keep this space operating 24/7 while reducing noise in the middle of the night. In every building that we work on, we work very hard to ensure that the internal spaces are really pleasant to be in. Key to that is natural light. We looked at multiple options of how we were to bring light in through both the roof and through the walls, while also meeting all those technical challenges about constructability, ventilation, thermal performance, acoustics. Danpalon has very clever systems of multi-layered polycarbonate that allow you to bring the light in, stop noise getting out or in, but also mean you control your thermal input into the building. We've delivered a clever, interesting and extremely functional building to the New South Wales government. When we require a product which is both lightweight, thermally efficient, acoustically efficient, and can be installed rapidly, my first point of call has been to Danpalon.
To collaborate with a trusted daylight architecture advisor, contact danpal.com.au.